Greetings, Derby residents. My name is Steve White, and I am the Director of Parks for the City of Derby. I want to visit with you for just a moment about something very important that's coming up in our community, the Derby Difference Sales Tax election. Our beautiful city has a rich history of parks and recreation spaces that have provided countless memories for generations. Our parks help Derby stand out as a community of choice in the Wichita metro area, and continued investments are needed to update and revitalize our park system. This is where the Derby Difference Sales Tax comes into play. If the 1% sales tax is approved, 45% of the funds generated will be dedicated to park and trail maintenance and implementation of our Parks Master Plan. This plan focuses on revitalizing and updating our older parks and ensuring they remain vibrant and enjoyable for all of our residents. Our parks are not just places to play, they are the heart and soul of our community. They are the places where families bond, friends gather, and where we come together as a Derby family at community events. Learn more about the sales tax election by visiting derbydifference.com or calling City Hall at 788-1519. The information will help you make an informed decision when you vote on November 7th.